Hello community, this is DamnLP and today I will show you how to install the Rainmeter and the Man Jarvis Interface. So today we start with the Rainmeter download. You just have to go on their homepage, rainmeter.net. I will also put the link in the description. I just downloaded the final release, not the beta, because I don't want it to something unfinished. So you just download it and yeah, well then you start the installation. Well, we started in English, okay, just the standard installation. We don't have to install the portable installation. Just tick everything, it's okay, just that it's launched on the start, and I got also the 64-bit version of Windows 8, so I just install it and just have to accept it. So I also can run it at the moment. So, but we don't need the interface of this Rainmeter, so we just can unload all the skins. So to get the Jarvis Iron Man interface, you just have to go to the DeviantArt webpage of it. Here is the theme. It's just the version 2. Download it from here. I will also put a link in the description below. Just double click it and install it. You don't have to take anything, just install and it would be finished. So just open Rainmeter. Well, I closed it already. So now you can use the original Illustro with clock and something else, but I would like to use the Iron Man skin, just as I said. Blue, green, red or yellow are the colors you could choose it, but I like to do red because it's rather nice, because my background is, well, black and red. I think it's a nice color mashup. So you could also make it undraggable or something like that. It's, well, at least I want it in the middle of it, so I think that would be okay. I don't want to snap it to the edges, and so I just minimize it. So you can use all of these as something like a hyperlink. These here I would like to use for web pages. Yeah. These here for applications like Camtasia, Rainmeter, or Mozilla Firefox. And these here I just want to use for shortcuts to some directions just as I open here, just like the document folder. So we just start and edit the skin. So first of all, here you can change the folder. So just folder path is here given. So we just use documents, right click on it, and use the direction. Close it again. You can copy it in, but that's not everything. Here you can also change the name. Every folder got a name, so you can just name it as you want. I just save it now, and before anything is ever able to click on, you just have to refresh the skin, and now I can click on it and it opens my document folder. I can also close it and open it again, but that's just something rather useful. So I edit the skin again for editing editing a web page. I will just do my homepage on it. Well, I should copy it at least. So just open the document again. So you just don't need the folder, we need to make a site. So the site link, I just copied it, and I can also name it. So I just name it channel. Save again, go to the desktop and refresh it. And when I click on it, it opens my channel. So it's rather useful, I think, because you can really hyperlink some of these. So, and now we're going to do an application. So I thought Sony Vegas Pro would be a nice application. And so I'll just try on myself again. Sony Vegas, it won't work with Sony Vegas because it isn't the right path here. I just need a second. I just have to open up utilities, go to the VCL media player, and here. That's what needed. So I just close it again, go in here, and just activate it here. Well, I just repaste it, and there the app name, just VLC, save it, and refresh the skin, open it, and it opens the VLC media player. So that's all about the normal interface, the center interface. So I just can start with Jarvis iTunes or WinApp. It's both the same, just how the media player works in it. And I could also show you it's just the blue one. I could also use it, but I suppose it's better in the same color. So, well, I don't like the direction here, so just 200, no. You can, it's a little bit, no. Yep, that's just the right size. I don't want it draggable, and don't snap to the edges. It's rather how you like it, so that's just some complicated thing. So now you see it's the date, the time, the capacity of my coolers. If I would use a laptop, just the power. Here is a media player. Well, it's rather useless right now for me. And here is the uptime, the communication. Well, it's the mail account. Well, I would use Google Mail, and it would open my own mail account, but I don't want to open it right now. Here is the browser and other themes. With eject, I could shut my computer down, and with reboot, I could restart it instantly. And here's the performance. So how much I use of the capacity of my computer. Well, that's all about the media player. Well, I closed it just again. So now we can also do notes. It's, well, if you forget something or want to remind you of something, well, if you don't want to forget something, you just can click here, and now it loads. Can close it. So I don't know why it takes so long. Well, I just have to refresh the skin, and then I can easily open it. So I just say hello Jarvis. So I just save it, and now it says hello Jarvis, or something that you want to note yourself. So also I can also do a weather taskbar. So well, you see now there isn't anything in it, but you can change it with the weather location. I just make where I live, just in Hamburg. And now you see, well, the number of resources, no. Just GMX0049. You just can, again, edit the skin. And just have to search this, and where the location is. GMX X0049. XX0049. So for the current and today, you just have to make it. Unit, the metric, not, because that would be Fahrenheit, but I don't want Fahrenheit. So I'll just have to make the M there and use the metric away. Well, at least I suppose it was that way. Now I have to refresh the skin, and well, now it's just 23 degree Celsius and a heavy T-storm. So I can drag it wherever I want, so I'll just put it in here. And also there's a slideshow possible. So just some pictures where that you want to have on the screen here. Just have to edit the skin and just have to path name. That's what you have to change. I'll just make my random pick order folder. So just not that, but here random picks. Just have to put the name in here, save it, and again, just like every other part of the skin, you just have to refresh, and now it's there. You can't make it make the visuals sign bigger, as far as I know, but you can change the position of the pictures, so it could also be here, but that's rather useless for the interface. So that's it. That's all about the Man Jarvis interface. Thanks for watching.